In the mail, I've just got my new VMS 700 HDX. Let's have a look, see what's in the box, and then we'll do a bit of a review on it. So we open the box up, we've got a nice packaging. Important, it is advised to update your map at and a web address using free straight navigation, 5 years of updates. So it comes with 5 years of updates. So we take it out, it's nicely packaged and wrapped. Sit that there so the wind doesn't blow it away. Comes like that, nice protective cover on the face. What else is in the box? We've got a little booklet telling you all about it. We have the suction cup mount that goes on your windscreen, quite heavy duty. Now this is the second one of these units that I have had. My first one, I was using it and dropped it and had the power plug charged in and smashed out the plug. So I bought a second one. It comes with this. I had to modify mine slightly. I took the bracket off and put it up close so it was closer to the window on my 80 series Land Cruiser. I didn't like it sticking out in my face, but that's your choice. We have a power charger for when you're plugged into mains power. We have a USB cable for when you're running off the car. We have a cigarette lighter plug, or a power outage plug as I believe they're called now, for when to run off the car. There's a video out cable, and there is the main clip-in bracket with the pen located on the back there, the little stylus pen. I didn't use that much with my last one, I actually lost it. I'll keep hold of this one. And then it comes with this nice fake-ish leather, I don't believe it's leather for the price I paid for it, to put it in when you don't have it sitting up on your dash. Now, a few things that I did notice with my last one. When you go to update it, it is a Windows, powered by Windows. So if you run Macintosh or a Mac like I do, you can't update this unit on your Apple Mac. You need to find somebody who has a PC running Windows to be able to update this unit. For me personally, it would be great because I've got to go looking for somebody with a computer that can update it. I can't update it on my own. The other thing that I found in using this unit is, one thing I really like, is that you can have the option of street maps or off-road maps, and there's a few variations of off-road maps that you can have. Now I like running it on topo when I'm up the bush. It shows me where I am, it shows me the topographical symbols so that you know how high up you are and things like that. And I've found that off-road maps are really good. I like that it uses TomTom for its street maps. I've found they're easy to use, it's easy to understand, you can change your voice and you can change settings up the side. And I'll turn it on in a little bit and you'll be able to see all that. The other thing that I did find when I lost my stylus was that I used the back of my fingernail on the screen. The touch wasn't very sensitive with the front of your finger, so I was using the back of my screen to touch it, and I did find that the one unit I had before this one, we'll see how this one goes, was a little bit slow to change between the on-road maps and the off-road maps on startup. Other than that, absolutely great unit. Loved it to bits, which is why I was devastated when I broke my last one. I pulled it apart, got in there, tried to resolder a new plug-in, couldn't do it, didn't work, won't run and charge off the car at the same time. I can charge it on 240 volt mains, but anyway. Nice new unit from Adventure Kings. Great unit, I love it to bits. I'll get this one updated and tell you how it goes.